class graph of trigonometric function, that's cosine. That is constructing the graph of cosine. Consider this example using 2 centimeter represent 40 units on x-axis and 4 cm represent 1 unit on y-axis. Construct the graph of cos theta for which 0 degree less than theta less than 360 degree. Hence, find cos 117, cos 333, then cos theta equals to 0.5. Now, thinking about the solution to it, the first thing you have to do is to construct the table. That's the the table of value. If you look at the x based on the question, the question says 45 units. That means you must use 45 interval. That's why you see 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, 270 till you get to the end, like that. Then to get your y, press your calculator or use 4-figure table to check for cos 0 degree, it will give you 1. If you check for cos 45, it will give you 0.7. If you check for cos 90, it will give you 0. If you check for 360, it will give you 1. That's how you go about that. But let's assume that the question is interval of 30. It will be 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, and so on and so forth. Now, to plot the graph, are you with me? To plot the graph, you're going to plot the graph of 0 against 1. That means you first draw your y-axis. This is your y-axis, and this is your x-axis. Now, after you have done that, you place your 1, because the question says 2 centimeter represent 45 units on x-axis. On x-axis, if you are working on x-axis, this place, that's why you see 45, 90, 135 till you get to 360 degree. Then when you are done with x-axis, you move to the y-axis. The y-axis from point 0 there, you see 1. That's 4 centimeter. Each box like this is 2 by 2. That means the whole of this is 2 by 2. So after you are through with that, then you plot your point. At x is equals to 0, y will be what? Will be 1. At x is equals to 45, y will be 0.7. At 0, 90. At 135, it drops to the negative side. At 180, minus 1. At 225 is minus till you get to 360 degree, which is at 1. Once you are done with that, then you join them. It is a curved line. Say that you use broom, whatever you can use to join it straight. The moment you are done with that, you can now come back to your question. That is, the question says you should find 117. So what do? You go to the graph, locate where 117 is, and make sure you draw it to touch the line. So where it touches the line, that is the answer to question number 1. Question number 2, that's 333. Then go to your graph and locate where 333 is. And when you have done that, draw it to go and join the line. Where it meets with the line, that is your answer for the question number. Therefore, number 3, if you look at question number Roman figure 3 and Roman figure 4, you locate all those numbers on x-axis. But for the last one, for the last part of the question, which is number 5, 0.5, you are going to look for this on y-axis, not on x-axis. So therefore, you come to this side, and here you have your 0.5. Then you trace it to the line. Where it touches the line, that is where your answer is. All right, that will be the end for today.